Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech with Yeshwanth. So in this video, let us understand what is the meaning of medallion architecture and why people are using medallion architecture in every data team, right? So as you might know, every data team has got multiple data sources. They will have different sources. It can be your tables, it can be your clickstream data. All those things are there. But having that enriched and having that standard of data at the end is very, very crucial for any data team. So what they will do is, if you see here, I have written data source here, and they have multiple data sources. Like for example, data source 1, data source 2, data source 3, and data source 4. So all this data will be kept inside something called as a bronze layer or a raw layer, meaning a copy of the data from your source will be kept as a bronze layer. Raw data will be stored here, and on top of this raw data, you are going to process that data. You are going to transform, you are going to deduplicate the data, do ranking, you do sorting, and all those things can be done and stored as an enriched data or a silver layer data. So that is what you have in the second step here. It is going to be high quality data. Basically, you have all your transform data, the process data will be stored here. So that is what the silver layer contains. And after silver layer, what you will do is multiple teams will be using the data that you are going to have, right? So you have your business analyst, you have your data analyst, you have the data scientists, you have your data managers, business analysts. They want to use your data. So what you will do is you will perform dimensional data models on this enriched data, and you will have the curated data ready in the gold layer. So once you have that here, you will store that as a gold data in the gold layer, where you can serve this data to your business analyst, your data scientist, your data manager, or even your data analyst, right? So basically this is ready to be consumed. That is the data that you have on your gold layer. So understanding this basics is very, very crucial in order to proceed with this lecture. So I hope you understood what's medallion architecture, and in the next lectures we will see how Unity catalog is developed in Databricks and how we can leverage, and in the same course we will also create a separate medallion architecture for all the projects that we are going to build. So hope you are excited. If you want me to create more such videos, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.